Okay, so this is going to be a video of how to set up Joycon for your steering wheel controls for your tablet. So the video is going to be a little shaky because I cannot multitask. But basically, you got to wire your Joycon to your dash, or well, into your steering wheel controls. And first off, you got to get all your firmware updated. You gotta download the Joycon app, well, program, whatever. So once you have your program and you got your stuff set up, all your wiring, basically you have to set stuff for
Num7.
Each button.
Num8. Num4. Num5.
And you can set it to try settings. There's an auto detect button. I'm not gonna press it because I finally have everything set up. But you can press that, and then you can just start pressing your buttons and finding out where they fall on the chart. Like my volume up is going to be A7.
Num7.
And volume down,
Num8.
A1. Then track up,
Num4.
A3. Hold down, track up.
Num5.
And that is messing with the settings. I'm sure you guys can figure that out once I help you with the basic stuff.
Num966.
And what I screwed up is I have these bottom ones set, so I gotta delete those, which I will eventually, but that's just because I am doing that right there. Okay, so I got volume up was A7, I think.
Num7.
Okay, so I set that as num7. So wherever my mouse is set as num7 on this virtual keypad. They have volume up, volume down, track. They have all this stuff. I don't really use it at all. I do it all programmed in the tablet. I mean, I guess you could use that if you wanted to do the easy way. So once you set volume up to num7, volume down to num8, you go over here onto the tablet. So let's see if we can do this. So I am going to use File Manager. This is just the basic, like volume up, volume down, track, home button stuff. Later in a different video, I'll go into like starting apps using external keyboard helper, but this is just for basic stuff, trying to get everybody on the same page. So you gotta, using File Manager, you want to make sure you're in the root settings, and then you go to System. I think it was System, I'm trying to remember. It's been a while. Okay, yeah. Wow. Okay. System, USR, key layout, and the file you want to edit is generic.kl. Well, don't click on it like that. Wow. So open that. You see it's a read write, read read. If it would focus. Once you edit the file, that changes, and then you have to change it back to what it originally was. So open up the file. You want to edit it. So you want to look, see if I can get to focus, for numpad 7, which is around key 77, and I already have it changed, so I guess 71. Okay, it's key 71. is volume up, which is numpad 7. Wow, this can get confusing. So I added volume up, volume down, previous track, rewind, next, and fast forward. And so basically, so that is those. So that means that button that's probably 9. That's probably the next one. And then I'm gonna guess that the next one is the button above it, which happens when you hold it. Oh, that's these ones. Okay, minus is one of them. Yeah, I guess I started at the most earliest one. So okay, so that would say numpad whatever focus. So just want to edit this. What do I edit it as? I don't know. I'll just change it to volume down, so I guess I'll have 2 volumes down, just to show you that this works. So I got 2 volume downs. Then you want to save it. File was saved successfully. So now go back. Now if you look at that file, it still says well, when I did this, I had to hold down, go to properties, permissions, and I had to add that R. I had to add both. It was like that after I added it. Let's see if we focus. So I had to add that, and I guess it just memorizes that now. I haven't edited them since I first set them up. So now you go back to home screen. So now I got my computer all programmed. You gotta click save and apply on there, and that will save your settings in your Joy-Con, which I'm going to plug into my tablet now. Unplug it from my computer, plug it into my tablet, and now when I hit volume up, the volume's gonna go down because I changed my setting. It's volume down. That was volume up, and the volume went down. Now volume down, the volume's gonna go down again, and then volume up, the volume's gonna go down again. Just because I changed that. Just to show you guys how to do it. Okay, that's annoying. So I'll go back and change that real quick, just so I don't forget to do that. So system, USR, key layout, you can't see but I can. Generic.kl, open that, scroll down to key 71. I got volume down, and now that the Joy-Con's plugged in, it thinks it's a keyboard, so now it won't give me my virtual keyboard. That's really annoying. You can go into your settings, go down to input, click on that, turn off physical keyboard, but your stuff still works, like my steering wheel still will turn the volume down. So I guess there might be a way to do that by default, but I haven't messed with it because I started using external keyboard helper to use apps, which I will talk about in my next video. Set buttons to open apps, which I'll probably get to that tonight or tomorrow. So now that's saved. Now you want to make sure that the file is in the right permissions, RWR. It won't focus. So now I hit volume up, volume will go up. Okay, maybe it won't. That's when you know you did something wrong. And I just got a text message. What did I do wrong? I see I got volume up, volume down. Now where? I guess for some reason it didn't work, so just for the heck of it, I'm going to change the permissions. I don't know if that's going to fix anything or not, but that's what I just did when I changed it in the first place to show you guys. So let's see if that fixes it. So volume up is still volume down is volume down, volume up is volume down, volume up is volume down is volume down. And if I unplug it, plug it back in, I don't know what I did. Unplugged it, plugged it back in. Volume up. Oh, look at that. Okay, now it works. I don't know. All I did was unplug it from the Joycon, plug it back in. I didn't think that would really make a difference, but apparently it does. So that's basically how you set that up. To look up the key layouts like volume dash up and volume dash down, you can just scroll through the generic.kl file and look at the commands they have. And if you see something you want, give it a try, see if it works. If not, try something else. But that's the basic commands using the Android key presses that are programmed into Android. Hopefully that helps you guys, because I know I spent a very long time trying to figure that out, and hopefully I saved you guys a lot of time.